Okay, let's go. While food trucks are smaller than your average restaurant, it still takes a lot of love, sweat, and hard work to be successful. And My Sweet Little Cakes is no exception. This father-son duo worked countless hours to deliver us gourmet, sweet, and savory hotcakes. Hey everybody, I'm here with Jesse Lee and Elijah of My Sweet Little Cakes. You guys are doing something pretty darn unique. You're doing everything on a stick, right?
That's right. Yeah, absolutely.
So tell me the inspiration behind this.
Well, we have custom waffle irons that are in the shape of corn dogs. And what we do is we start with 7 of our gourmet batters. We pour a little bit of batter into that waffle iron shape, put a stick in it, and then we stuff it end to end with about 4 ounces of artisan meats and cheeses or fruits and berries, another layer of batter, and then it comes out like a corn dog on a stick, but without the deep fryer heavy grease.
Here's what's awesome. These aren't, anybody could just throw something in a basket, but the way that you guys are doing this, man, there's some pride that looks evident here.
Absolutely, yes. We believe that presentation is, everything.
Now it's time to take these cakes to the streets and see if they taste as good as they look. All right, let me ask you a question. Do you enjoy desserts?
I love desserts.
Ooh, see, I do too, and I'm glad that you said that. Tell me some of your favorite desserts.
Oh, I like flan.
We love ice cream at our house.
Okay.
Cheesecake tends to be one of my favorite desserts.
A waffle on a stick.
Waffle on a stick. I'm glad that you happened to say that because I just happen to have this delicious
Oh my.
chocolate waffle on a stick. Why don't you give that a try and tell me what you think? Oh, look at that thing. Oh, look at that.
This is going to be a little messy.
And that's okay. It's all right to have fun with your food. Look at that. Good job, dude. You hear that? That's all. You just need to hear.
It's practically illegal to have all of this all on a stick, literally.
Okay, he went back for seconds, so that's a good sign.